Wait, what is this guy doing?
Driving on the road can sometimes be unpredictable and dangerous because even when we are in full control, there are others out there that may be reckless and irresponsible. Now, some of these situations may have happened to you. Let's check it out.
Wait, oi! What the hell is wrong with this guy? Oi! Move lah! Why are you in the middle of the road? Go! Oi, look at this crazy guy lah. Oi, oi, why are you stopping in front of me? Oi! Move, move! Why is he getting out of the car? Oi, road bully, sir. Road bully, road bully. No, no, I got dashcam. I got dashcam. You better go back inside your car. Go back. Go back. I hate these road bullies. Why is he putting it in reverse? Oi, oi, oi! Don't! This fella must be insurance scam one. Go! Ayyo.
So scary, so frustrating, right? The thing is, you can't predict when these situations will happen to you, so better prepare yourself with a dashcam. You want my recommendation? DDPAI Z50. It records 4K at the front, 1080p at the back. f1.75 aperture, so it shoots great in low light. It is also powered by a supercapacitor, so it can stand Malaysian weather. It's got automatic recording when it senses collision or emergency braking. Plus, you can share the footage on social media via the DDPAI app. So go get your Z50 on DDPAI's official online store.